Have you ever stopped to think about how amazing your body is? It's not just a vessel that carries you through life, it's a complex, intricate system that performs countless functions every second of every day. It's a complex and fascinating machine, capable of incredible things. Just like a well-oiled machine, every part has a role to play, and when one part falters, the whole system can be affected. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes, your body is a marvel of nature, packed with systems that work together seamlessly. Each system, whether it's your nervous system, your circulatory system, or your digestive system, has a unique and vital function. In this journey of discovery, we'll uncover some mind-blowing facts about the human body that will leave you in awe. We'll explore how these systems interact, how they support each other, and how they keep you alive and thriving. Prepare to be amazed by the wonders of your brain, the command center of your body. It's responsible for everything from your thoughts and emotions to your movements and sensations. The tireless work of your heart, which pumps blood tirelessly throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell. And the incredible capabilities of your senses, your eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, work together to help you perceive and interact with the world around you. We'll delve into the microscopic world of cells, the building blocks of life. Each cell has a specific function and works in harmony with others to keep you healthy and functioning. And the intricate network of bones that give you structure. Your skeleton not only supports your body, but also protects your vital organs and allows you to move. Get ready to see your body in a whole new light. We'll explore how it grows, adapts, and changes over time, and how you can take care of it to ensure it stays in peak condition. Let's start with the brain, the control center of your body. This incredible organ is the hub of all your thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's where every decision is made, every memory is stored, and every sensation is processed. It's a wrinkled pink organ that's responsible for everything you do, from thinking and feeling to breathing and blinking. The brain's surface, known as the cerebral cortex, is covered in deep folds and grooves, which increase its surface area and allow for more complex processing power. Your brain is made up of billions of tiny cells called neurons, about 86 billion to be precise. These neurons are the fundamental units of the brain and nervous system, the cells responsible for receiving sensory input from the external world, for sending motor commands to our muscles, and for transforming and relaying the electrical signals at every step in between. That's more stars than there are in the Milky Way galaxy. Imagine the vastness of the night sky filled with countless stars, and then think about the fact that your brain contains even more neurons than that. These neurons communicate with each other using electrical and chemical signals, creating a complex network of activity. Each neuron can form thousands of connections with other neurons known as synapses, allowing for the rapid transmission of information throughout the brain. In fact, your brain is constantly buzzing with electricity, even when you're sleeping. During sleep, your brain is busy processing information, consolidating memories, and performing essential maintenance tasks that keep your body functioning properly. All this activity requires a lot of energy. The brain is one of the most energy-demanding organs in your body, consuming glucose and oxygen to fuel its continuous operations. Although it makes up only about 2% of your body weight, your brain uses about 20% of your daily energy intake. This disproportionate energy consumption highlights the brain's critical role in maintaining your body's overall function and well-being. That's like a small car running on the power of a refrigerator. Just as a car needs fuel to run, your brain needs a constant supply of energy to keep you thinking, feeling, and moving throughout the day. So the next time you marvel at the stars or drive your car, remember the incredible power and complexity of the command center inside your head. Next up is your heart, a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout your body. This incredible organ beats about 100,000 times a day, every single day, without ever taking a break. That's over 2.5 billion heartbeats in an average lifetime. The heart is a true testament to the power of nature's design. And speaking of blood, did you know that if you laid out all the blood vessels in your body end to end, they would stretch over 60,000 miles? That's long enough to circle the Earth more than twice. This vast network of arteries, veins, and capillaries carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Skin deep, you shed more than you think. Now, let's talk about your skin, the largest organ in your body. Your skin is your first line of defense against the outside world, protecting you from germs, UV rays, and injuries. It's also surprisingly active. Believe it or not, you shed about 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells every minute. That might sound gross, but it's perfectly normal. In fact, over a lifetime, you'll shed about 40 pounds of skin. That's like carrying around a small dog's worth of dead skin. Don't worry though. New skin cells are constantly being produced to replace the old ones. Sensational senses, smell, touch, and beyond. Our senses are how we experience the world around us. They are the gateways through which we perceive and interpret our surroundings, making life rich and vibrant. We see, hear, taste, smell, and touch, and each sense is a marvel in itself. Each one contributes uniquely to our understanding and enjoyment of the world. Let's take a closer look at two of our most powerful senses, smell and touch. These senses not only help us navigate our environment, but also connect us deeply to our memories and emotions. Did you know that your nose can distinguish between over 1 trillion different scents? This incredible ability allows us to experience the world in a nuanced and detailed way. That's more than the number of stars in our galaxy. Imagine the vast array of smells we encounter daily, each one adding a layer to our sensory experience. Our sense of smell is incredibly sensitive, allowing us to detect even the faintest of odors. This sensitivity can alert us to danger, like the smell of smoke, or bring us joy, like the scent of a blooming flower. This sense is closely linked to memory, which is why certain smells can trigger vivid memories. A whiff of a familiar perfume or the aroma of a favorite dish can transport us back in time, evoking emotions and moments long past. Touch is another amazing sense, and it's not just limited to our fingertips. Our entire body is a canvas for tactile experiences, from the soles of our feet to the tips of our fingers. Our skin is covered in millions of sensory receptors that allow us to feel everything from a gentle breeze to a firm handshake. These receptors are constantly sending information to our brain, helping us understand our environment. These receptors send signals to our brains, which then interpret them as different sensations. This complex communication system allows us to experience the world in a tactile way, making touch an essential part of our sensory experience. Touch also plays a crucial role in our emotional well-being. A hug from a loved one, the warmth of a pet's fur, or the simple act of holding hands can provide comfort and strengthen bonds. Our senses of smell and touch are integral to our daily lives, enriching our experiences and connecting us to the world and each other in profound ways. They remind us of the beauty and complexity of being human. A framework of strength, the skeletal system. Finally, no discussion of the human body would be complete without mentioning our bones. You might think of bones as dry and brittle, but they're actually living tissues that are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. When you're born, you have about 300 bones, but as you grow, some of these bones fuse together. By the time you reach adulthood, you have 206 bones that provide support, protect your organs, and allow you to move. Your bones are also incredibly strong. Ounce for ounce, bone is stronger than steel. They're designed to withstand a surprising amount of force, which is why we can run, jump, and lift heavy objects. Fun facts to share: what amazes you? The human body is a truly remarkable machine. From the complexity of the brain to the strength of our bones, there's so much to learn and appreciate. We've only scratched the surface of what makes our bodies so incredible. There are countless other fascinating facts waiting to be discovered. What surprised you the most about the human body? Share your favorite fact with your friends and family and see if you can stump them.